welcome back to a sunny, wet and windy Monday evening, not afternoon, evening. Getting this video ready for tomorrow. I'm going to announce the winner of the competition that was on Instagram to win a pair of these stickers. Your name's going to come up in the bottom of the screen now. Thank you very much. You have won a pair of these in your chosen colour. Make sure you contact me and I'll send them out to you. Thank you very much for partaking, and anyone else, you can grab yours from bluudysgarage.com for £2 delivered. For two, you get two for £2 delivered. So what we're going to do with this video, a lot of you have told me to look at the badges and to remove them. So I'm going to remove the Vauxhall one and then we'll remove the Corsa one. I'm going to debadge them. So while we're looking at the rear end, you'll notice something. You'll notice that where I treated it with the heat gun, it's still black because this was heat, and then where I had peanut butter, for some reason it's now gone white. The jelly bit's okay, but there's a bit of fading in it, and the engine oil's around there. But again, everything with the heat is back okay. So I don't know if there was an issue with the oils on the peanut butter, because I used some spirit to try and clean it all off so I could use the heat, and it kind of reacted a little bit. So I might have to redo that back bumper with heat. But I have the front bumper. I think I've got the front bumper to do as well. Yeah, it's looking a little bit faded underneath that headlight, so I'll get that done as well. But today we're going to debadge the car and get rid of the Vauxhall and the Corsa and just make it look a little bit cleaner. So I'm going to start by heating up the lettering, but without burning the paint. So don't want to hold it on forever and ever and ever and ever. I don't know why I'm doing the whole lot. I'm going to do a couple of letters at a time. Try and get the glue warm behind. And then I'm going to use an old card. I'm going to scrape behind the lettering. And letters are hot, so be careful when they come off that they don't burn your fingers. Now it's just time to clean up all this crap. Try and scrape off more glue if you can. It makes life a little bit easier. Bonus points for who can guess what card I'm using. Leave a comment. So we need to get the last bit of the glue off. So I'm going to use a bit of white spirit, or some of you might call it paint thinners or something like that. I'm going to rub it on. I wouldn't recommend leaving paint thinners on the car. Make sure you wash it off good after. And you're going to keep going over and over and over until it all comes off. Now, depending on the paint and how old your car is, etc., you might see better coloured paint, like fresher coloured paint underneath that boot. Oh, sorry, underneath the boot, underneath where the badge was on the boot. I can just make out the letters Vauxhall. I don't know if you can tell on the camera. So I'm going to do the other side. I'm going to get rid of the Corsa letters, same procedure, and then I'm going to quickly T-cut this whole boot lid, and then I'm going to leave the centre badge on. And I think it'll look a bit cleaner then. Don't know whether to take the centre badge off. I'll leave that as a question for you guys in the comments. You know, should I take off the centre badge? Is it pinned? I don't know. Maybe someone can tell me. If it's pinned, I'll leave it. If it's not, I'll take it off. Oh, and I quickly use the heat gun just to touch in on that bumper as well, and it looks a lot better now. So I'm quickly going to whip off the Corsa letters just like I've done before, and then we'll finish off the boot lid. So I quickly whipped off this side as well. So I'm going to quickly rub it with the dinner spirit, whatever you want to call it, just to get off the glue, and then I'll T-cut the boot lid, and hopefully she'll look good as new. You can see it says Corsa at the moment, but you know, that side, you know, it's nothing, and it does look better, to be fair. Is this a common issue? I don't know if I take it off and move it, and I don't support any football, so that's not me, or whatever it is. I don't know if it is football, but there we are. It looks loads better and cleaner, and it just looks good. So I've got some scratch remover, which I'm going to use just to lightly coat the whole thing and buff it all off, and hopefully it'll look like new. So that's what I'm going to do now. I am not a professional, before you whinge at me. I'm just trying to make it look a little bit better.
Oh, life's calling, but it's hard because I'm falling. I'm falling. Tell me why I'm falling. Oh, life's calling, but it's hard because I'm falling.
I'm going to take you off the stand, you guys watching, listening. So I buffed, it's shiny. I haven't buffed it very well, but I still need to wash the whole car anyway, so it's not really an issue. I think what I'm going to do is finish off by heat treating that. Now let this get hot enough. That'll gonna be hot. I'll tell you what we're going to do to make it look better. Vaseline and a rag. Get the old Vaseline out. This is awkward with one end. Night and day, guys, night and day. Oh, I can't get in there with my finger. That's it. Come on, get in there. Yeah, I've got fat fingers, guys. I've got fat fingers. I think I'm in there. Oh no, there's all dust in it. There's dust on this race. Yeah. Loads better, guys. Loads better. Yeah, I'm quite happy with that. That's a nice little mod, I suppose. Not an upgrade, but it's a mod. Guys, there's a couple of questions. Can't remember what they are. You'd have to look back in the video. Can't remember what they are. Hopefully you've already commented. What did I... Oh yeah, do you want me to take the middle badge off? Is it pinned? Do you want me to take the middle badge off? That was one of the questions. What would you like me to do next? So, the car needs to be serviced. So that's a video. The car... I am going to take the manifold off because a couple of you didn't like my last video and I used bolts and washers to secure the exhaust. So I am going to end up taking the manifold off and putting another stud or drilling it or something. So that's another video. I need to wash the old car and back to black everywhere else with the heat gun. Another video. I feel like there's another one. Oh yeah, and then just like finishing touches like with the wheel trims and stuff like that. So you guys let me know what you want to watch, and that's what I'll try and do next. Try and do next. If there's anything else I've missed, let me know, and I'll see what I can do. Thank you very much for watching this part of the Corsa Flip project. I shall see you in another video.